Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon all. Thank you for the opportunity in ICST 2020. In this occasion, I'd like to share to you about our study on physical analysis of the pre-service teachers mathematics lesson learning design. We are from Mathematics Department, Faculty of Mathematics and Science, Universitas Negeri Surabaya. And our concern in this study is about the teachers quality in Indonesia. As we know, the Indonesian government has already implemented the teacher certification. One of them is for the in-service teacher who already being a teacher in junior, senior, or also in elementary school. And the other program is called the Teacher Professional Program, or we know as PPG. This is a program certification for pre-service teachers, the one who have not already teach in the schools. So by using these two schema, the government hope that the quality of teacher education can be developed well. However, the first scheme, the in-service teacher certification, has already been held because most of the certification nowadays will be conducted using the teacher professional program. And as we know, the qualification of a teacher, we can see from the pedagogical and the professional knowledge. They should master how to teach a material to their student. We call it the pedagogical, and they also must master the knowledge about the mathematics itself, and this considered as a professional knowledge. However, some of the teachers may divide this. Maybe they don't know the relation between both of them. It is really important because some of the study elicit that this pedagogical and professional knowledge is important. So from the Solomon, we know that this analogy, this correlation, we call it like PCK, the pedagogical content knowledge. So this knowledge, pedagogical and content, should be applied in the classroom practice by supporting each other. So by which the pedagogical, how to teach students, and how to teach the materials to the students. The idea of PCK is how the teacher transfer the content materials from their understanding of the instructional material to the student. So this is the implementation of the idea of teacher quality professional development. And moreover, the BCK has an impact more on mathematics education from teaching and learning by helping teachers to deliver the content of mathematics. The main idea is how to deliver the mathematics content to the children. In this study, I'd like to find actually what happened in the pre-service students before they going to be a in-service teacher. This then will be divided into two main focus. The first focus about the teaching and learning comprised of teaching strategy, student thinking, misconception, cognitive demand, and representation of concept. We code like that. And then we have the mathematics content, how to the professional knowledge, the idea of explanation, the knowledge of example, results, curriculum development, and purpose of the content, the mathematics content. And then we develop the detailed framework from the level of PCK here based on Chick et al. 2007. This qualitative study use document research based on the student final assignment about designing learning activities. So we have several findings. Actually, some of the categories about the teaching strategy, mostly they got the high level. Elaboration strategy have given also the example. Student thinking, they still get the high level, but some of them get the level 2. Lack of example, mostly they get in the learning design. this misconception. Yeah, mostly the student while developing the learning tools, yeah, they forgot to consider the conjecture, the student misconception that happen in the learning. Yeah, this is important because when they suddenly face this student misconception, they will sometimes confused and don't know what to do. So before doing this, conjecturing the student misconception also important to have like plan B, yeah, to cope with this misconception. The cognitive demand, like the activities in the learning design, mostly they got the level 3, and the representation of the concept, yeah, the mathematical idea given in the materials. And here the comparison, yeah, about the student level, yeah, we have mostly got the high level except for the misconception for the teaching and learning, yeah. So we can conclude here that the teacher need to the previous teacher still need to study more about the student misconception before applying their teaching and learning instrument in the real school, real class. And then about the mathematics content itself, actually they got a good and average level, not too low, yeah. At least they got level 2. This means they understand the content, the mathematics, and but sometimes they got difficulty in applying the example or the application. So the conclusion is knowledge specific student thinking and discussion were almost neglected, yeah, like I said before. The mathematics content design providing various non-routine example, yeah. This is why they got level 2, not level 3. The fact as mentioned earlier suggests that the previous teacher may design well learning activities, but lack of knowledge in handling student thinking and misconception and concept example and implementation. The application, yes, usually the previous teacher cannot explain more about maybe the application of a mathematical concept. Then thank you for the time.